Hi, my name is David. Today we'll be demonstrating how to conduct an on-site evaluation. Let's first go over the required tools needed. First, the site evaluation form, which will be provided. Secondly, the 15-minute pressure reading form, which will also be provided. The next thing you will need is a camera or cell phone for taking pictures, as well as acting as a stopwatch for the 15-minute readings. You will need 2 pressure gauges that go up to 100 psi, and this will be used for collecting the pressure readings from the backflow assembly. You also need brass fittings so you can accompany any size fitting that the backflow may have, all the way down from a 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. You will also need a pressure gauge for a hose bib. In case there is not a backflow assembly located on the property, you will simply take a pressure reading from the hose bib nearest the meter, as well as a hose bib furthest from the meter. You will need a pair of pliers and a pipe wrench for loosening any fittings, and you also need a screwdriver to turn on the water for the pressure readings. You also need a tape measure to measure the distance between the meter and the backflow assembly. Now that we have gone over the tools required for the site evaluation, let's walk through the steps necessary for completing the site evaluation in chronological order. The first thing you will want to do upon arrival is go and speak with your on-site contact to let them know you have arrived and you will be conducting the on-site evaluation. It may be necessary to ask them if they have a facilities or maintenance personnel who will be able to escort you around the facility to make it easier to find the meter. If they do not know where the meter is located, the best place to start is at the outside perimeter of the property. As you can see here, we have located the meter near the street on the outside perimeter of the property. We will first start with collecting the information from the water meter. Once you have located the water meter, you're going to want to open the vault like so. And now we will read the readings off the meter. As you can see from the site evaluation form, we're looking to collect the meter manufacturer, the meter size, the reading off the dial, as well as a picture of the water meter in relation to the backflow assembly. Once all necessary information has been collected from the water meter, we will now move to the backflow assembly. As you can see here, the pressure chart that has been provided, you will collect the pressure readings from the backflow assembly. We will attach 1 gauge to the front of the backflow assembly and a 2nd gauge to the back side of the backflow assembly. Once both gauges have been attached and securely fastened, we will then turn the water on to record the pressure readings. As you can see here from the chart, we will be taking 3 5-minute readings at 30-second increments for a total of 15 minutes of readings. Once you have completely filled out the 15 minutes of readings, go back and shut the water off and remove the pressure gauges. Once all information has been collected from the water meter and the backflow assembly, we will then begin taking pictures. The first picture will be of the water meter inside of the meter box, as well as a close-up picture of the meter dial with the dial readings visible. The next picture we would like is of the backflow assembly with the pressure gauges attached. The last picture we would like is a picture showing the distance between the water meter and the backflow assembly. In this case, they happen to be very close. In certain cases, they can be up to 20 feet apart. And the reason we take that picture is to see where along the line we will be installing our device. If there's any missing information on the site evaluation form, meet with your on-site contact to see if they can provide any of the missing information. Once you have completely filled out the site evaluation form, the 15-minute pressure reading form from the backflow assembly, as well as the pictures, you have now successfully completed the site evaluation.